In this video, I give you a very beautiful and interesting ideas of recycled bottle. Recycling bottle ideas, very beautiful designs, and you can make it at home easily. Add some jute wrap and burlap craft, add something flowers, colors, and you can make it at home. Very beautiful and interesting designs. You can grow your business with these type of ideas. And so you can make your bottle turn into lantern or pencil holder and centerpiece of your table. It depends on your mind. So as well, I hope you like that all ideas and designs. Stay tuned, watch till the end if you like the ideas. So in this video we show you very beautiful recycled bottle with some jute craft, burlap parts, and fairy lights. Add some fairy lights, and this upcoming season you can make it at home, and you can make a ordinary piece into extraordinary and beautiful designs, and make your bottles, wasted bottles, as your masterpiece of your table. And you can create very beautiful designs. You can get best ideas from these videos. So how you feel about that? So viewers, what do you think about it? These are very interesting or not? These are very interesting ideas with burlap parts, jute craft, and add some flowers, add some stocking flowers, add some fairy lights in. So this will be a lantern, or this will be a centerpiece, or it will be a pencil holder, candle holder. You can make it many types of thing with it. So as you can watch in this video, add some sticks and pop stick, add some green grass, antique style, golden colors. You can add many more things in this craft, in this type of craft, as you can get ideas from this video. So now the time of grow your business. This is time to grow your business. Upcoming season is a festival season, and you can grow your business. You can sell this type of art at fair shop or art shop and family and friends. And you can post pictures on social media and make a story behind the bottle, and make a story of whatever you have, whatever you made. And people don't buy a single product, they buy a story. So make a story and beautiful post on social media. You can post a beautiful thing on social media, so you can sell it on easily. And if you want to get more successful, so you can post ad on social media like Google AdSense, Google Ads, and something else. So wash bottles, remove labels. How you can make it? Wash bottles, remove labels, and wrap jute rope, fabric strip around the bottle body, flowers, dot, geometric, and X-Max theme. Whatever which type you want to make. Add beads, button flash for texture. Turn it into a vase lamp or centerpiece. Insert fairy lights, dry flowers. Do you have any empty bottles lying around at home? Don't throw them. Today I will show you recycled bottles ideas and turn into beautiful craft, beautiful pieces that can brighten up your home and save the environment. First, wash and clean your bottles thoroughly. Removing any labels. A smooth surface will make decorating easier. Now take jute rope or burlap, wrap it around the bottles using glue. This gives a natural and rustic look. Once the base is ready, paint your bottle with simple patterns, flower, or even festive themes. Use bright colors to make it stand out. Glue on beads, pearl, lace, or any small recycle items like buttons to give your bottle a unique texture. You can use your recycled bottle as a flower vase, a pen holder, or even add fairy lights inside to make a glowing lamp. Add some colors, glass painting, And that's how simple it is to turn waste into wonder. Try this bottle craft recycling idea and share your creativity with friends and family. So how you feel about that? Hope you like these designs. These are 70 plus I think designs, so hope you like the designs. So if you want to make rustic jute bottles, wrap with jute rope, add lace the neck, finish with dry flowers, painted festive bottles. So give a theme with it. Spray paint base color, gold, silver, white, hand paint, X-Mix trees, stars of floral designs, sea with varnish for shine, very decorative ideas. Now we give you very decorated ideas. Apply glue in patterns, stick pearls, sequins or beads. Create a luxury style centerpiece. So now turn into a bottle lamp. We talk about what